a bird up there, and there's a nest. I saw the baby birds. Okay, he get pretty close. Let's see if I can. Let's see. There's a bunch of babies though, and see if I can get up there. I got pretty close last time. I think she maybe wants to protect them, so she doesn't want to go too far unless I get really close. I'm gonna try to touch her. Still there. I didn't see her last time I was coming up, and she didn't see me, obviously. Or she was just gonna stay there until I got too close. Hopefully she stays there. I see her. If you see her, tell me. There she is. There she is. Hey, I won't hurt you. Right there. Right there. Sit on the nest. Whoa, there she goes. She flew away. See these babies up close. Sorry, guys. She flew over there somewhere. Yep, there's her. They can see it. Oh, they see the light, but she's over there. She's over there, though. Let's see the babies. Kind of dead. Are they breathing? Yep, they're kind of moving a bit. Look at those. Just up here, and I was going to climb up the tree. But then I saw her and she flew away, and I didn't want to step on the baby because that's the only way up for me, at least. I didn't want to hurt them. If I step on them, I'll kill them. Now, I want to touch them, but there's like a myth. I don't even know if it's true or not, but it could be a myth that if I touch them, the mom won't come back. And like one time I touched these eggs, and they never hatched. So I'm kind of believing that myth until I get proof that it's not true. But it could be true, and I don't want to hurt these.